Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the dollar rise 0.3% against the yen. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The gold dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The oil dollar pair plummeted 3.7% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices edged higher after a G7 price cap on Russian seaborne oil came into force on top of a European Union embargo on imports of Russian crude by sea. Brent crude futures had risen 66 cents. The US dollar held firm against major peers following its biggest rally in 2 weeks after strong services data in the United States fueled bets the Federal Reserve may lift interest rates more than recently projected. The difficulty of mining a Bitcoin block fell by 7.32%, most since July 2021, with miners powering off machines as a brutal bear market eats into profit.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The French imports will be released at 0745 GMT, Japan's current account at 2350 GMT, the US unit labour costs at 1330 GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 1200 hours GMT, Australia's gross domestic product at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT, Japan's gross domestic product at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.